What's up? Today I'm going to show you how to create multiple partition from a disk drive. Today I'm going to show you with creating 5 partition or 5 volume from this partition. So click this PC icon, then manage, then expand it, maximize the window, click disk management. After going to the disk management, select the disk or partition from which you want to create multiple volume, and click shrink volume. You have to type the amount of space to shrink in megabyte. I'm going to create 100 GB, so I am multiplying with it 1024, 102 to 400. Now you have to type 102 to 400 and shrink 100 GB is unusable, so right click on that volume, then create new simple volume. Then next, then assign the following drive letter. I'm going to change it U. The next, enable file and folder compression. The next, finish. New volume U has been created successfully. I'm going to check from this PC. Here you are seeing that new volume U has been created. Similarly, I am going to create multiple volume from it. Now you are seeing that 2 new volume has been created, new volume U and B. Now I am getting another one. Now I am going to show you how to change the volume name. For changing the name of the volume, right click, then rename, then type the name, been changed. Similarly, I am changing another volume's name and continue. Finally, you are seeing that I have created 5 volume from that partition. So that's all. Thanks for watching.